Hi, this is Mark Bautista and you're watching Filipino A.
Mga kaibigan, ito po si Chas Carlos ng Filipino A. Nagulat para sa programang Filipino A at narito po tayo ngayon sa DRG Restaurant kung saan po ginanap ang press conference ng Society of Seven with Lani Misalucha. Lani, how did you ever get started in the entertainment business?
I started in a band about 20 years back. And from there, I did a lot of commercial jingles for television and radio. And then somebody tried to ask me to sing his composition for a competition. In other words, was an interpreter of a song. Kasi po sa Philippines, pag gumagawa po ako ng concert, somehow naglalagay na ako ng mga impersonations. But then hindi talaga full blast na impersonation yung ginagawa ko. Now, nung nandito na ako with the Society of Seven, it was actually them who really pushed me to in doing the impersonations. And they believe that I'll be able to do it. But for myself, I thought na hindi ko talaga kaya yon. It was just like, nung ginagawa ko sa Philippines, parang wala lang talaga, parang joke lang yun, and I wasn't taking it really serious. But when I joined them, they really asked me to do impersonations. And sabi nga lalo na si Kuya Tony, sabi niya, no, I'm going to give you that because I know that you'll be able to do it. And then finally, nung nagsishow na kami, as we went along with our shows, medyo nagiging comfortable na ako in doing that.
She is a terrific impressionist. She didn't know it in the beginning, but she did almost all of the top singers. I'm not just so, but great to a T. And now she's doing everybody from Whitney Houston, Barbra Streisand, Celine Dion,
Bobby Brown,
Dionne Warwick, Britney Spears, Beyonce, ang dami. She does all of them, really well. Yeah, she's also, she can do more. She can do a lot of other, and she's also working on some new impressions, like Liza Minnelli,
Elvis Presley,
Elvis,
Pavarotti.
yeah, Sarah Brightman, she's terrific, and of course she also does Minnie Riperton really well.
Hindi po kasi, yun yung time na aalis po ako supposedly ng Philippines. Around 2002-2003, talagang nag-decide na kami ng family ko na magmamigrate. And we were actually thinking of Canada, na dito talaga kami mag-stay. We're not sure kung sa Toronto or sa Vancouver, but we're really eyeing for Canada. And then, a simple phone call made a difference. Kaya I ended up in Las Vegas. So, supposedly yung pag-alis po namin sa Pilipinas, yun yung iniisip ko po na hindi naman retire, but parang medyo mag-step back muna ako from singing.
Change way of life.
Yes, definitely. Kasi yun po yung ginagawa ko sa Philippines for some time, and sabi ko naman na nagawa ko na yung gusto kong gawin, na-experience ko na yung mga supposedly ng pagiging isang singer sa Philippines, and okay na ako. And then finally sabi ko, I think I want to mag-relax muna and probably think of having another child. That's why sabi namin ng husband ko, we will migrate and then we will see from there. Kaso nga po, nasa Vegas ako and mas dumami pa yung pamilya ko. Sila.
Once again mga kaibigan, ito po muli si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, nag-uulat para sa programang Pilipino Hey!